Hey guys, I'm standing in front of my 2018 Honda Ridgeline, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your door checker so that the Ridgeline's rear doors open further. From the factory, for whatever reason, Honda decided to use really short door checkers and makes this opening really small. And it makes getting in and putting things in difficult. As you can see, stock, the door opens about 24 inches, and that's fairly narrow for a mid-size SUV or a truck like this. To demonstrate, I have a 2x2 sheet of plywood, and if I try to stick it in, it can't even lay flat because the opening is less than 24 inches. And imagine if you had a box like this, a 2x2 box, it'll be almost impossible to fit in because of the door opening. Now, this mod is not only for the Honda Ridgelines. You can actually do this on Honda Pilots as well. After the door checker replacement, I'll show you how much bigger the door opens and how much easier it is to put something like this inside and to get in and out of. So stay tuned. So the first thing is to remove this door panel. And there's some screws behind here and here. And all you really need is a really small flathead and a solid Phillips head, and that's really all the tools you need to get this off. So first, over here, you just stick in your there we go, you pop that out, and then over here, you see there's a little tab, you stick the flathead in, and there it goes. So there's two screws over there, one screw over there, so let's get to that. Now it's just a matter of pulling out the panel here. All right, so grab it over here toward the bottom side. There's some grab right here, right? And then just pull it out. And they're held in. You'll see they pop out because they're held in by those Christmas tree kind of looking tabs, right? And they're all across, and you simply just pop it out. Once you get all of them, just lift up, and we're good to go. So now that the door panel is off, the next thing we want to remove is the speaker, and that's because it'll give us access to stick our arm inside and be able to take out the checker once we loosen the bolts. So I've gone out and take out the rear speaker. There's only one screw, and then you pop it from the top side, okay? So now you can see that there's room for you to stick your arm in and how you can reach the door checker after you loosen it. So now, in terms of the door checker, there is 3 bolts. There's one here, right? That's against the frame. And then there is 2 on this side, right? And that's it. You just need, these sockets are going to be millimeters. This requires 13 millimeter. And these inner ones, you have to use a 10 millimeter socket. And they're very easy to take off. All right, at this point, the door checker is free. As you can see, stick your arm inside the door and pull it out. And there you go. Here it is. Now, as you can see over here, it is marked L for left. So when you're replacing this, make sure that you check the one that you're putting in to make sure that you're putting on the right one. Now to install, just do everything reversed. Stick the door checker through the door, tighten the bolts, and then we're on our way. Here's a finished product. Make sure when you're putting the panel on, start from the top, click it in first, and then bang in all the Christmas tree tabs, and then the solid, put in the screws, and we're all set. Just to show you guys, with the new door checker, it doesn't affect the door at all. You still see the same gap with the weather molding and opening, closing. Doesn't hit, there is no effect on the door. The door opening has gained 5 inches. We started at 24 and now we're at 29. That's amazing. Remember this board. Look at how easy that is now, right? Those 5 inches make a big difference when you're trying to haul something big inside or you're trying to get in and out. All right, guys, here's the finished product. We have gained 5 more inches in total. I spent about probably 30 minutes. And that subtracts out filming time. 30 minutes for both sides. I spent about $30 paying for the door checkers. This has to be one of the best mods I've done so far to this truck. You gain so much more utility from this because now you could fit much larger items in the back. People can get in and out much easier, especially kids, and you can put car seat. This is one of the best mods by far. If you guys have a Ridgeline or even a Honda Pilot, you should consider this. This is super easy. On a skill level from 1 to 10, I would say it's probably a 2 or a 3. It's definitely doable. All right, guys, thanks for checking this out. If you enjoyed this, hit the like and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos that's coming up. Take care. Bye-bye.